What's going on, guys? Welcome to another vlog, Four Seasons Outdoors. We're going for some lake trout this weekend. Hopefully we can make it happen. Skies look like they might puke a little bit of rain down, but we're gonna get the boat launched and get after it. Go get camp set up and then maybe hit some fish up tonight. Hopefully the lake trout are cooperative and can show you some fish. This is our second time up here over in BC. So stay tuned and catch up with you in a bit. Okay, we hooked up to a big bully. Oh boy. Great start to the night. Great start to the fishing trip. Oh yeah. Here we go. Right beside the boat. Look at the size of this fish. Moly. Look at that laker, boys. Right beside the boat. Great way to capture the evening right there. It's a beautiful sight. Time for bed. Wake up and do it all again. Go catch some fish. Cheers. Okay, got breakfast into us here. Sun's coming up. We got this little rain shower out of the way. John and Trav are heading out. We're gonna get the kids fed up. Header. Bacon has been cooked and partaked of. Another pot of coffee. Gonna hit the water running. Ready to rock and roll.
I'm roll taping.
You recording, Nikki?
Yep, I'm recording.
Are you? That way. Laker, buddy.
Oh yeah, Laker, incoming Laker. Oh, I think it's a rainbow. Oh, I think it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. It's big.
up, head back to the launch.